Hello everyone, welcome back to One Step Adventure. I'm Steve. If you've been following my social media, Mr. All-in-One, and my YouTube channel, you know I was just recently in Taiwan and Hong Kong, and I just got back last night at 1 o'clock in the morning, and it is, what is now? 11 o'clock, I think. Anyway, so I'm filming my first video return from Asia, and today's video is going to be very special. It's gonna be a giveaway video, and we're gonna do one thing that everybody's been dying to see: Hong Kong Disney Halloween Stitch mystery box. I'm gonna open this up, and hopefully I can get a whole entire set. And this is very exclusive, only available in Hong Kong Disney. At the end of the video, I'm gonna show you how you can get one box for free. So if you want to get one of this for free, mystery box, make sure you watch the video all the way at the end, and let's get started this video. Many of you already know that I'm also a founder for Ebu Beauty. I'm a skincare expert, have over 30 years experience in cosmetic, and that's what made me an expert in skincare education and skincare recommendation. 3 years ago, I left the company I worked for 17 years and started my own journey, launched a skincare company called Yibu Beauty. Yibu is Chinese word meaning one step. I believe everything we do in life, before you making that physical step, it's begin with mental step. So for this Labor Day weekend, we're having an amazing sale. Every product on our website is 25% off, plus free shipping. If you order Ebu Beauty before, you know every order that you receive comes a beautiful PR box. The way we pack the product and in the box is absolutely beautiful. It's worth for the unboxing experience. On top of that, if you spend over $75, you are getting 35% off, plus shipping free. So definitely take this opportunity and check out the link below at ewok.expeditions. No code necessary. This event gonna be end very soon, so act now. All right, so let's go ahead and open this now. I'm so excited about this. So this is, I love the packaging though. One side is stitched regularly, one side is stitched as a mummy. Oh my god, this is so cute. Now I totally regret I saw him as a mummy plush. I didn't get it. Oh my god. So anyway, but at least I got a boxes here. I'm gonna open this right now. There are total 10 stitch in here, and this one is a very special edition. Let me show you guys. So I hope that I get all 10 of them. And each box, hold on, let me see. I think there's only 2 in there. Oh, whoa! There are 3 pins in here. Okay, I didn't even know that, and they all glow in the dark. So yeah, I'm very, very excited. So let's open this now. Funny thing is about this, when I was in Hong Kong Disney, all my friends told me to get it. I can't find it anywhere. And I just gave up because I checked every store in Hong Kong Disney. They all told me they sold out the first day. And when I went to the Hong Kong International Airport, they have a Disney store. By the way, check out my video below. There's a lot of Hong Kong Disney video that you should check out. It's amazing. I found them. I was like, no way! I cannot believe this. So I bought them all. I mean, I bought as much as I can. Okay, let's open this right now. I'm so excited. I'm so scared. I hope I get them all. Okay, and also I have I'm gonna put this on here right away so you can see it. So the first one is Gimme Candy. This is so cute. This is actually pretty big. I mean, look at the size. Not bad at all. Okay, so I'm just gonna put this right here. Okay, I'm scared. I'm scared. Okay, let's open the second one now. It's being so, I have this for almost 2 weeks, and I didn't open it, so I was like, oh my god. And this one is, it's different? Yeah, it's different. It's just a trick. It says trick. Very evil looking stitch. I love it. Love, love, love this. So let's open this one now. Okay, so this one is Stitch wearing the Halloween hat. They are cute. I need to see how this look at nighttime though. They look like what do you call that thing? Like a tarot card. That's what it looks like to me. So open the box number 2 now. In Hong Kong Disney, they're selling this for only 179 Hong Kong money. It's roughly about 20 US dollar. I found that the pens in Hong Kong, they are slightly cheaper than California and Orlando too. Why everything's so expensive here? So crazy. Oh, by the way, I also bought a lot of Duffy merch, and on my regular YouTube channel, Mr. Jin All-in-One, I'm gonna review the shopping haul, and that video I'm also gonna do a giveaway too, so definitely check out that video, and that should be launched in the next 2 days. Oh my god, it's so cute. He's in the, what is this? He's in the green cave. It's so cute. You know what, when I first started collecting pens, I didn't know what I want. And finally, I'm like, Stitch is so cute. Stitch is always in different costume, a different, portray different character. I said, why not? Why not, right? Oh, Stitch as pirate. This is cute, right? Wow. 3 pens. For that money, it's totally worth it. Totally worth it. Let's open this one here. So, wait, do I have this one already? No, I don't. Okay, sorry, I'm so excited about this. So this is the Stitch with the hat and the pumpkin on the side. Honestly, look, when you take a first glance, they all look kind of the same to me. So I gotta pay attention. Okay, so 2 boxes now and 3 boxes more to go. Finger crossed, finger crossed. I bought total 10 boxes for myself. So I better get a whole set, I swear. Oh my god, I'll be so pissed if I don't. Okay, yay! This is Stitch in this, he's wearing a pumpkin. So cute. So, like I said, I just got back, and Uncle Don and I will be at the Oogie Boogie September the 7th, the second day of Oogie Boogie. I really want to get a first day, but it's sold out so fast, but I'm still very excited about that. And this is the Stitch code, say boo, very cute. So if you guys going on September the 7th, if you see me and Uncle Don, please say hi to us. I would love to say hi to all of you guys. So far so good. We're looking, oh my god, this is the mummy. This is the mummy. This is so cute. Okay, so 3 box, 9 pins. I don't want to jinx myself, but look at how cute this look. Okay, let's open box number 4. Okay, oh, please, I go all the way to Hong Kong to get this. Please give me something, nice. Okay. Okay, first double right here, the Stitch in the green cape. So I'm gonna put this right here in the bottom. Stitch in the pirate. Oops. So I think this it's gonna be. Let me guess. The next one gonna be the Stitch in the pumpkin head and then the black cape, because that's all in one box. I think they're all kind of. I think that's how they do it. I'm not sure. Yeah, I was right. So this is the pumpkin with a black cape. Okay, that's okay. They are still adorable. Okay, last box. Oh my god, please give me that special edition. That's all I need. I just need one, then I complete. Oh, that's okay. Stitch in this cute outfit again. Let's check out this right here. Oh yeah! Oh my god, I got it! I complete my set. This is the cutest. This is the special editions. Ah, I got it. I complete my set. Yes. You don't understand, because I'll be so pissed that I go there and then I got something I didn't get complete sets. This is the Stitch in the purple outfit and the pumpkin. So yeah, I mean, not bad at all. Not bad at all. Now I want to announce how this giveaway gonna work, okay? Ta-da! So you saw my video, there are 5 pins here are double, and I'm gonna pick one lucky winner, and you get 3 pins of your choice from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take a picture. So you leave a comment below, let me know which 3 pins you like of this 5. And if I choose your name, you will get the 3 pins that you selected. And of course, that you have to like this video, subscribe my YouTube channel, One Step Adventure, and leave a comment below all the 6 Disneyland in the world. Which one do you like the best? Disneyland, Orlando Disney World, Hong Kong Disney, Paris Disney, Shanghai Disney, and Tokyo Disney. That's it. And I will select a winner and make an announcement on my Instagram account, Mr. Jen All-in-One, 5 days from now. So do it now. I really hope you liked this video doing unboxing with me of this beautiful Stitch mystery box Halloween pins exclusive from Hong Kong. Thank you so much, and please check out my Ebu Beauty. Right now we're having big sale. Every product 25% off plus free shipping. Every order you receive is exactly like what you see on all the blogger unboxing Ebu Beauty, because I feel so important that when you spending your hard-earned money, you're not only getting a good product, good for your skin, you're also getting a full unboxing experience. That I mentioned, we also donate a portion of profit to local no-kill animal shelter, because that's what we believe in, that's what we support you. Alright, thank you so much for watching my video today, and I will see you next video. Oh, if you want to see what I bought from Hong Kong Disney, check out Mr. Jen All-in-One. In the next couple of days, I'm going to release that video, and that video we're also going to do a giveaway too. Alright, bye!
Mooncast Multitasking Tinted Moisturizer by Ebu Beauty contains over 90% skin-loving ingredients, more skincare than makeup. Our hero ingredients are hyaluronic acid and aloe vera. Hyaluronic acid for hydration and brightening, aloe vera to calm and soothe the skin. Carefully designed it for anyone with concerns of uneven complexions and or dehydrated skin. Suitable for all ages, lifestyles, and skin types. For dry skin, use over a moisturizer. Give a bottle a shake before use. Dispense 2 to 3 pumps onto the palm. Massage hands together and apply to the face. Start from the center outward, covering the face, forehead, and neck.